Language teaching has been a tradition concerning with linguistics accuracy. Our aims in language teaching is to be able to increase the learner's communicative competence, to be able to create awareness of the appropriateness of languages. It's important to use language appropriately and correctly, showing appreciation of the language and appropriate use. For language teaching, what we teach must be relevant to student needs and interests. Each lesson must have a clear aim and know why are the students learning the language for their future needs. Language teaching should always provide regular self-assessments, lesson plans, materials, resources, teaching methods. Good learning environment language teaching affects how the orders of 4 skills is taught. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. The advantages of languages teaching approach promotes interactions, connective ability. This language teaching must pick up by observational learning, by learning and observing. Most language teaching is a combination of student-central and language. Language-centered teaching is according to learners' needs.